I did not expect to see this on 1.8 acres in the Baton Rouge area. 5 beds, 4 baths, over 4,400 square feet, 1.8 acres. Bluff Oak subdivision, a fully stocked pond, swimming pool, flood zone X, oversized island, a ginormous refrigerator. The island has a pull-out refrigerator and frozen drawer in it. This seller spent $100,000 just on one add-on. Spent a whole lot more than that customizing this house. You got a whole home filtration system with a water bottle filling station built into the wall and a laundry room. But I can't tell you everything. You got to stay tuned to see it all. Walking through the front door, here's a shot of this beautiful dining area. Beautiful living room. You see the natural light. There's a full bath, one of the 4 full baths. Beautiful bedroom, huge walk-in closet. Another beautiful bedroom with a huge walk-in closet, built-in shelving. Nice little closet in the hallway there. Another beautiful shot of the living room. That is not a picture on the wall or a painting, that is a television. Coming around this way. I love these wood floors in here. Look at this office. Absolute beauty. Again, that is not a picture or a painting on the wall, that is another television. Moving around this way. Got a little closet here in your office. Coming back around. Here's your main bedroom. Look at the beautiful natural light with the sliding doors leading to your back patio. This was one of the add-ons to the house. You got the privacy wall there. You got a huge walk-in closet here, leading into the bathroom. Got a chandelier in the bathroom. No shot of the closet. Double sinks, beautiful bathtub, a little vanity. Look at the size of that walk-in shower. Here's another walk-in closet. I absolutely love that shower. Another shot of the bedroom. Coming back this way. Look at this beautiful kitchen. You got the oversized island. A 6-burner gas stove. The tile backsplash. I love the wooden accent wall in the dining, in the kitchen area. The oversized island. Beautiful natural light. You got remote control shades there. Look at the size of this refrigerator. Most people have to have 2, 3 refrigerators. This one is one and done. That is a great feature that comes with the home. That is a pull-out drawer there with a frozen and refrigerated drawer in the island, built in, huge walk-in pantry. There is the water filtration system. I didn't get a shot of it when I was filming. It looks like this, right when you walk in the laundry room, built into the wall. I thought that was an amazing feature. Look, all of these cubbies in the laundry area so you can be nice and systematic with your laundry. But the water filter will keep you from having to buy so much bottled water. Here's another view of the dining area. Another full bathroom. 4 full baths. Another beautiful bedroom. And let's go see what we got upstairs. Yet again, another full bath, a beautiful walk-in closet, and another bedroom. Another shot of the kitchen area. Look at the backyard. It is an absolute beauty. Beautiful swimming pool. I want to give a good view of the back patio. Come and look at the yard. This is your own personal pond. There were geese in it when I was there. It might not be in this shot here. I love the beauty of this property. Here's just another good view of this beautiful backyard. That about concludes our tour for today. I really do love y'all from the bottom of my heart. Reach out if you need more information. Subscribe, like, ring the bell, and share. See y'all next time.
Packing my bags, headed for Baton Rouge. Moving to Baton Rouge with Rose.
Helping you find your home in Baton Rouge.
Moving to Baton Rouge.